Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Face ID on App Store in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings and scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode. Click on it, enter your passcode, and here you can see the options. Use Face ID for iPhone, unlock, iTunes and App Stores, contactless payments, password and autofill. And you can select iTunes and App Store, and you can wrote here Apple ID, and your Face ID will be appear on your App Store. So this way to use Face ID on App Store in iPhone 16 Pro Max. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.